175 points. This is pre-market. We're joined out by Mike Lee. All right, Mike, is this sell-off that we're seeing right now because of the inflation numbers, is this the start of something big?
Well, you know, Stuart, it could be. And I think it has more to do with the fact that the market's been up over 20% since the end of October and for 14 straight weeks. And we are due for a little bit of a pullback, so you might see some profit taking here. I think inflation's incredibly difficult to get down from this 3% range to the 2% range where the Fed wants it. But in all likelihood, the next move coming from the Fed is much greater probability of a cut than a hike. So if you miss this rally, I would be using it as an opportunity to start to get invested.
Should I sell any of my big tech stocks? Because they're at a high, made a lot of money. Why not just get out while the going's good and pay my capital gains tax in April of next year?
Yeah, absolutely not. Because wherever inflation goes, wherever the Fed goes, is not going to stop this corporate investment cycle in artificial intelligence. Okay, that amount of money that's going to go from global corporations into the cloud, into cybersecurity, and most importantly, into artificial intelligence, okay, is underestimated by the entire Wall Street. I think these companies have a long runway in front of them, akin to the internet in the 90s, where the markets went up over 20% for 5 straight years.
So last one, you've been a super bull on NVIDIA. Are you still a super bull on NVIDIA?
Yeah, absolutely. And I kind of am hoping that the market is disappointed with their earnings next week so that I can buy more at a cheaper price. But this investment cycle into artificial intelligence, it represents such a small fraction of the pie of global enterprise tech spend. For that to double and triple and quadruple over the next few years is not that big of a deal on a holistic basis. But for all of these individual companies, particularly most of Magnificent Seven, it will be meaningful for their earnings.
Got it. Mike Lee, thanks for being with us on an important day. We appreciate it. We'll see you again soon. All right,
Thanks,
switching gears to politics.